everyone, it's Vicky here from Crafty Heaven and thank you very much for joining me today. Today is just a quick video. Unfortunately, I've not had time to put a card together or a 3D project for today's video because I turned 40 on Sunday and I've actually got a 40th birthday party on Saturday, so it's been a bit chaotic this week, so trying to get things ready for that. Plus I've had to do some samples for Craft Stash and it's just been a bit chaotic, but I wanted to still bring a video for you, and I thought what a perfect way to show you how to make bows. So to make the bows, I'm using the Creative Craft paper trimmer, and it comes with the holes and pegs to make your bows. It comes with 2 punches, and then it's also a scoreboard as well as a trimmer. And I thought that I'll just show you how you use the pegs to make the bows. So as you can see, we've got some different size ones here. So I've got the largest one where I've done a double loop, and I've got another one here with a double loop. Okay, we have single ones, and then this one I did with 3 loops. Hopefully you can see that. So you can make any size ribbon bow you want. So let's move these out the way and I'll show you the peg section. So this is the area that you add your pegs. So it's got these holes, and at the back of the trimmer it has these 2 pegs, and they come apart, so you will have 4 pegs. Okay, so some ribbon can actually be quite wide, so having the option of placing the pegs on top of each other, then that is perfect. And obviously you've got these ones that you can make smaller for the smaller width ribbon. So all we're going to do is you will get your pegs and you'll place them in these holes here. So starting from the outer ones will give you the largest bow, so that would be this size, and then as you go in they will get smaller. Okay, so I'm going to make a medium size bow. Place the pegs in these 2 here. Okay, and they just slot in like so. So I'm not going to cut it off the roll yet. Okay, so what I'm going to do is obviously I'm going to make sure I've got plenty. So you're going to wrap it around and you're going to bring this right one and you're going to cross it over the left one. Then you're going to get this right piece that we've crossed over, and we're going to tuck it underneath here and also here. Okay, so just tuck it under like that, bring it to the front and then wrap it over and bring it to the back like so. And then you're going to just tie this off into a knot and squeeze that together. Okay, and then lift that off and just adjust your tails and then trim off the excess, and then just fluff out your loops, and there we go. How easy was that? So let me show you how to do a double loop. Again, you want to make sure that you leave enough to make the bow, leaving it on the roll. But then this time we're going to get this one here, and I'm just going to hold that there with my thumb so then you can see what I'm doing. So I'm going to bring this all the way around again, and then we're going to cross it over like we would do normally. Okay, and then we're going to tuck this underneath here and also here, bring it over, and then just tie that off into a knot and pull that together like so. Trim off the ends, and then you're just going to pull these loops apart. Loop bow. Okay, so it's really easy and quick to do, and you, like I said, you can make any size bows. You can make double loops, single loops, small, medium, large bows. The possibilities are endless. I'll link this paper trimmer down below if you want to go and have a look at this over on Craftstash. And if you enjoyed this video, then please give me a big thumbs up. Please continue to support my channel by hitting that subscribe button, and join me on Monday for another video for our quilted card series, and I will see you all very soon. Bye.